So hello and welcome to RobMoro TV's best new videos, returning once again with some of the best new music videos from the past week. And this week there are videos coming to you from Villagers, Active Bird Community and Vilde. And first up we have Villagers with A Trick of the Light.
But soon I'll come around. My faith is in the balance of a million tiny words, so I return to silence.
Conor O'Brien has made another leap forward with Villagers' fourth studio album, The Art of Pretending to Swim. It was also written, produced and mixed by Conor O'Brien in his Dublin studio.
May never come, but I'm willing to wait. What can I say? I'm a man of the faith, and there's an ocean in my body, and there's a river.
So made by the fantastic Irish director Bob Gallagher, the video for this features a character who triggers an altered state of consciousness in everyone he meets, and it also features some cameos from O'Brien himself.
Things I can't control. This path that I've taken is the only one I know.
Next up we have Active Bird Community with their new single Unwind With Me.
By some unraveling everything I need.
So the video for this track was filmed entirely in the back of a moving truck, and it was also directed by Henry Kinder. Henry said of the track that he wanted to capture the intensity of the lyrics by making it a tight space in which to capture the atmosphere of unsettled displacement.
Cut your teeth to catch the tide over.
So this track is taken from their new album Amends, which is their debut for Barsook Records, and it will also be out in late October. Finally we have Vilde with Warm Milk. Stockholm-based but Aussie-raised art pop artisan Vilde has released a new single titled Warm Milk, and he's also released an unsettling self-shot video which you can see some of right here. This track is taken from a forthcoming album titled Thud, which we can expect to hear in July. It's also been written, produced, mastered and performed by Vilde himself. So don't forget you can like, share and subscribe to the YouTube and social media channels, and I'll be back with you next week with some more of the best new music videos only on RobMoro TV.
I feel every thought in the stakes.